This is another in my series of tools or descriptions of tools that you can use to add a layer of commentary to existing online web pages or online videos. This example is Reclipped, and it is useful for annotating, adding commentary to existing video. Reclipped can be used in several ways. It can be used as a standalone application or as an add-in to a browser. In this case, I'm using it as an extension to the Chrome browser. The process I would use works something like this. I would install the Reclipped extension in Chrome, and when you do so, you see this icon appearing in the menu bar as a button, and this is used to activate Reclipped, and you can see by these tool options here that it's already activated. Then open the desired YouTube video. In this case, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to annotate one of my own YouTube videos, and so it's open now. And essentially then I begin either adding something at the beginning or starting to play the video and stopping it at different points to add an annotation. So this particular video about using Creative Commons licenses with Flickr images. That's just the example that I've selected here. And I might want to offer a comment right at the beginning here at 0 timestamp to indicate that this is the case. This video explains how to establish Flickr. All right, so my comment is added, and now I would perhaps start playing the video. Flickr is a great online service allowing the storage and annotation and sharing of digital. Let's say you don't want to listen to all that. So I kind of know that I want to make comments later on after giving an introduction. Set my images to public. So one of the first things you do in adding a license is to make sure that your existing image is established as public, and that's what I'm talking about here. So I might want to explain that that's the case. Etc. So what you do is you go through and stop the image, or stop the video, excuse me, where desired, and find in the timeline where, maybe at that point, or maybe you want to back it up so your comment precedes something you want someone to pay attention to, or and obviously you can use this in a couple of ways. One as a means of highlighting what you want someone else to pay attention to, or perhaps kind of as taking notes yourself, in which case your comments might follow important things that you want to remember. And you continue to just create these annotations. Once your set of annotations has been completed, to save this, you would do the following couple of things. The first would be to decide or indicate how you want this combination, layered version of the video to be used. Is it something you want to make public, or perhaps you want to reserve it for yourself? In this case, I want to make it public. So once I've established this, then I save the combination, and that this would, let me see here. Once this is done, what I'm likely to want to do now is to share this, and of course this is the share option. And what this is going to give you is the URL, the address for the combined or layered version of this video. So when someone else activates this URL that you can see here, what they get is the combination. So it is playing the original video, and then on top of that, anyone opening this combination is going to see the annotations and can take advantage of the annotations that have been added. So this works like several of the other annotation systems that I've described for you. This is called Reclipped. It's available now. It's for video specifically. It's available as a standalone application or an add-on for multiple browsers. Easy to use, easy to share, and it's a great tool potentially for a learner or a teacher.